So for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I split my yarn. For this demonstration, I'll be using I Just Love This yarn in the color Key Lime. It is a 100% acrylic yarn and is worsted weight number 4. You can get this yarn at Hobby Lobby. To start, first cut off how much yarn you would like to use. Then take the end and gently twist it to show all the strands that your yarn has. Try splitting one single strand at a time, so pull, and then it'll start to bunch up, and when it does, pinch the end and then bring this clump down until you feel that you can pull more from the beginning again. And just keep going until you reach the end. When you're done, I like to make these little miniature skeins and I wrap it around at least 3 of my fingers. And then I take the end and wrap that around the middle to hold it tight. And I like to keep these in like Ziploc bags so that they don't get dust or other fibers on them. If you want to get into miniature crochet, splitting your yarn can actually be a very affordable option. Rather than going out and trying to find the right color or the right yarn size you want, try splitting the yarn you already have at home. Sadly, not every yarn will split the same. Some yarns are stronger, while others are weaker. And that is how I split my yarn. I really hope you guys found this tutorial helpful, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.